You can attach an unlimited number of photos to invoices or estimates from the InvoiceASAP dashboard. To do this, log into the dashboard and on the left side menu, select Invoices. In the View column, select the invoice to which you'd like to attach photos. From the Saved Invoice menu, select Photos. You can drag and drop photos, or you can click and navigate to where your photos are stored. Just select the photo. That will upload the photo to the dashboard. And then, when you send your invoice or estimate to your customer, the attached photos will be displayed. If you get stuck or need help with anything at all, please get in touch with our support team. You can open a support ticket by sending an email to support@invoiceasap.com, and you can also do instant chat on the InvoiceASAP dashboard when you're logged into the website. We're always here to help you.